Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my organizing system with this binder. I organized my entire life with this binder, and I organized my entire life with my planner that I showed a few weeks ago. So this planner is what I use to organize my morning routine. I put my morning routines, my evening routines, my cleaning routines, recipes that I like to save, all sorts of things in this one binder. So it's really just a very easy way for me to just get this binder and use it throughout the day, throughout the week. It's a good system of reminding me what to do during the week. And this kind of system is from Fly Lady. She has a whole website, and I'll link it down below, but she has a whole website of like how to keep your house clean, how to not get overwhelmed, because a lot of the times when at least for me, I used to like wait for the whole house to get dirty and then I would just start to clean, but I would get overwhelmed, I would get tired, I wouldn't have time to do things because I'm just cleaning, I'm trying to clean everything up. But I've learned over the years to, like, if I just dedicate, a day or an hour a day of cleaning, by the end of the week, my house will be much cleaner, I'll be less overwhelmed, and I'll have a lot more time to do other things that I want to do. So let's look inside my planner, shall we? So right here is in this morning routine, I have pretty much a simple, well, it's not really simple. I've actually changed my morning routine. So my morning routine would just be like a checklist of things that I need to do before I get my day started. So I would make my bed, read my Bible, pray, affirmations. I have affirmations on my wall. I used to meditate, but not anymore. I'll go deeply into that in another video. But I do try to journal, brush teeth, drink water, eat breakfast, caffeine, maybe like green tea, because I think that's a little healthier than coffee. And then I used to do a 10-minute cleanup of the kitchen. I don't do that anymore. Take morning meds, exercise, which I still do, surprisingly. Protein shake, need to get on that. Shower, get dressed, and then do like a list of to-dos for the day. And then I said 30-minute zone cleaning. I was like, no, I'm not doing that. So I cut a few things off so that my routine is not like 3 hours long, because I don't think that's necessary. But the good thing about this is I can always reprint my morning routine. I just, I don't need to be so freaking, I don't know. But another thing I like about the system is that I put these papers inside these laminated folders, and I can you can see I already like checked off some things. I usually just go through it. It's like very relieving to me to check off a list of items that I have done. And then I have my evening routine, so I do something for my weekly routine, pretty much just like maybe it's admin, maybe it's clean up something. It really helps to choose an outfit so you don't have to think about it in the morning and waste so much time. Run the Zumba, or Roomba, whatever. I used to run the Roomba, but not anymore. So obviously I have to change some of these things up. This is just an idea of what you can put in your routines. Eat meals, smoothies, 10-minute clean up kitchen. Again, I don't do that. I mean, obviously I wash my dishes, sweep, dust around, sweep around, so I don't really, it doesn't have to be 10 minutes. It could be less than that. Read a book. Definitely been reading books now that I have books. I actually read books now in the morning because I heard that was like a better way to do it. Before I did this whole thing like I think several months ago, so I'm just sharing what I have, and I just kind of been too lazy to redo my routine. But anyway, brush teeth, floss, wash face, write grateful list, So that's my evening routine. And then my weekly routine is just kind of like Sunday is a meal prep, and I actually keep this weekly routine. I haven't really changed it because I don't see the reason to not to. So Sundays I meal prep for the week. Monday I clean the kitchen after all that meal prep. Tuesday I do laundry. Wednesday I clean the shower. Thursday I clean the room, bath, and study. And Friday I vacuum, and then Saturday fun day. So these are just my weekly routines. They can be whatever the heck you want it to be. This is just what I do to clean. It's a really good technique. This is like the best thing because I get to like check off what I did that day, and the end of the week my house is clean. So then I do another weekly routine, which is kind of like errands, admin. So on Sundays I prepare for the week ahead. I go through my planner and list dates and events and things that I need to do. Monday I gain knowledge, so I try to like learn, go on YouTube and get like a tutorial or something that helped me with my career, or just something that I thought was interesting to learn. Some things, I want my brain to always learn, but I really do this every day because I have to study for boot camp admissions. So I've just been gaining knowledge every single day, hopefully. So anyway, Tuesday, run errands. I haven't been able to run errands that much on Tuesday. I usually, because I do my groceries during the weekend, I try to do everything on that one day, which is like Saturday. So just to save gas. And then Wednesday, desk work. Thursday, film. I do not film on Thursdays anymore. Friday, edit. Do not. Actually, today is actually literally Thursday, and I'm filming. So that's so funny. And I probably will edit tomorrow, and I'll probably upload Saturday. I've been trying to upload every Saturday, but I don't want to say it because then I might jinx myself. But anyway, so Saturday, self-care. I said Instagram because I wanted to take pictures every week for Instagram, and that has not been the case. I think what I will do is I will set aside one day out of the month. I think that's more logical, because I just don't feel like every week I should be going outside just to take pictures for the gram. But like maybe if I picked a destination and then I can like post it, take it like if I just like take several photos and I will have enough for the month. I think that would be great. And I actually have a lot of photos anyway that I haven't posted yet. So I think I'm fine for now. But yeah, that was just like ridiculous. But I definitely do try to do self-care, even though I'm always studying every day. I try to do some sort of self-care, like whether it's like eating ice cream or something like that, like anything that can just take my mind off of things. And I think everyone should do that. So yeah. But by the way, my Instagram is Kemi Natural if you want to follow. So desk work. And then here, did I say, yeah, Wednesday is supposed to be desk work. So in desk work, I have a list of things that I want to do. Clean my inbox, organize events for the month, emails, organize photo storage, plan to-do lists for YouTube videos, charge my battery for my camera, because my camera, like, I don't know what is up with the battery, but I have to charge it every week. And then clear space, stuff like that. YouTube filming. I did like a whole checklist for this, but I rarely look at this checklist. But it's a good way to like look, but because I kind of remember these things, like style my hair. Obviously, I can't be looking a hot mess unless I'm doing my hair on YouTube. Then yeah, I can look hot mess. But I usually try to present myself for you guys, so you guys are not so off-put, like who the heck is on my screen. So go through the to-do list. Like I wanted to do like a script, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but like when I get on camera, I have no idea what the heck I'm supposed to say. I just like go on camera, and I also said look at lens and be energetic. You guys, I've been really trying to like being on YouTube is very interesting because I've been trying to be energetic because I know I don't want to bore you guys, but I am quiet, but I really like being on YouTube for some reason. So I'm trying to show you guys my personality but not come off as crazy, like a crazy girl, even though I can be that. I'm just trying to get a balance of like what I should do like on my personality. I don't know if you guys have suggestions, if you guys think I look tired or look bored, or I don't know, like just let me know so I can, you know, fix it. So that's pretty much it for my routines. Then this is like the recipes. I know this is like so stupid, black beans and rice, like who doesn't know how to make black beans and rice, but I like the recipe anyway. I like that they use vegetable broth and, you know, things like that. I usually don't put that in there, so I was like, okay, maybe I should like incorporate this. I actually have another recipe. I have a bunch of recipes that I printed out but I have to put inside here. But what I like about this is that I can pretty much use these laminated folders, and I don't have to like, well, you know, when you're cooking your fingers get dirty and sticky, you don't want to touch your phone and like make your phone dirty, and if you touch the paper then the paper is ruined. So this is like easy to wipe off. You can wipe off any stains, any, you know, things that splattered on here, so it's really good for that. And so yeah, I have a lot of recipes. I didn't know that I would have that many recipes. Interesting. So then here are like my notes. You guys don't really need to know. They're really boring, just notes that I have. But I used to have like a lot of notebooks for school when I used to study and things like that. And I would just get all, you know, all this disorganized because I had so many notebooks. But now I just use this whole binder, and it's like literally like I call it my life binder because I don't have to search around for it. I don't have to be like, where did this go? It's all right here. Everything is right here. And I always reference this. I've been having this for like I don't know how many, like 4 to 5 months now, and like I've always referenced this binder. It's never been something I've ignored or forgot about, and I thought I would. I'd be like, I don't need this binder, but I always reference this binder because it helps me with my life, helps me get my life together. And I have like some stickers here from Glossier. I have notebook paper. I have these little these markers that I use to check off things. So, and it's a 2-inch binder. I got this Office Depot. It's not a really pretty binder. It's kind of just like your standard purple. It looks like a Barney purple on camera, but I promise it doesn't look like Barney purple. But I love purple, so that's why I got it. I think it's a 2-inch binder. I believe it's a 2-inch binder. If not, I will correct it in the description below. But anyway, that's my binder, you guys. This binder really does help me, and I think it will help you guys as well. If you guys have any more questions, or if you have any comments, just leave a comment below, and like this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, and bye.